it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have my Mani box. I think this is for the month of April. It's a little bit behind because you end up getting the box like at the beginning of May or like the next month of what it actually is. So this is April's box, and then I will get May's box in June and so forth. So the theme, as you can see, is happy birthday. So I guess it's their anniversary or birthday. So it's in this cute little birthday wrapped box. But yeah, look at it. It looks really cute. So we're gonna go ahead and open it all up. I have opened it just to get inside and take out some of the wrapping, just to skip that step. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. If you haven't seen any of these videos, this is my Mani box and it is from Beautometry. You can get it monthly, or you can sign up and get it like 6 months or like a full year. It kind of ends up being cheaper if you do 6 months or a full year. But yeah, it is a really cute way to get some nail products that you may have never got before. So there's two different sizes. There's a short nails and a long nails. I always do the long nails because I just always want to make sure that I have stamps that are bigger and longer, and yeah, I don't know. That's what I do. Anyways, stop rambling and we're going to get inside the box. Alright, so let's open this up. Yeah, I took out the bubble wrap and stuff because you don't really need to see that. So this is the card. It says, enjoy these box exclusives for the one... Sorry, enjoy these box exclusives from one of our newest... Rando Aid as Nails from the UK, Teresa. So that's their card, and that's where you can find their information on their website and stuff. So really cool. Let's go ahead and dig in. So we're going to do this one here. So you get two little glitters. Like I said, it's supposed to be kind of like birthday themed. So that's why there's little glitters in there. There you go. I don't know who these are by. They always end up adding something that's kind of smaller and you don't really know who they're by, but that is the glitters. Alright, let's get into this. I think this... No, this isn't the nail. So this is Soap Dodger, made with love from the UK, foaming hand scrub, and then there's their website there. It tells you what's in it. It's got some fruit seeds, all different stuff. Does contain raspberry seeds, just in case. So that's kind of what it looks like. It smells really nice. And then it's kind of layered, so you can see how it's different on the bottom. So that is a foaming hand scrub. So I'm really excited to use that because it smells really nice. So that looks pretty cool. I've never tried a foaming hand scrub before. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, probably a nail polish. Oh, yep. So this is Art as Nails. That's what they were talking about, their new brand from the UK that joined them. So this is a nail polish here, and this one is called Pizzazz, and it's hard as nails. This is made for the April Mani box. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. I'm not sure. I think these are like the 5 free and all that stuff too. I have never heard of this brand, but it looks really, really pretty. Very nice. So that's so far, I guess, 4 products if you count 2 glitters. So now let's see. These are usually stamping plates, and they're Muyu London. So this is a lace stamping plate by Muyu London, and that is what it looks like. That looks nice. So lace collection is 06. I have so many Muyu London plates that I never had any before I opened these boxes. This is a festive one. So like I said, it is their birthday. So this is Happy Birthday 01. So I will be using this probably in October when my birthday is. Maybe we'll use some designs, we'll see, but really, really cute. So that is all that is in the box. I'm not really sure how much everything is. I know these are, I think like $10, $12 or something like that. And then you get 2 of them, so that's a good chunk of your price for the box. And then the other stuff, I'm not really sure. But yeah, so that is the birthday box for April. So I hope you liked today's video. As always, please subscribe if you haven't already, and check out Geometry if you haven't ever heard of my mani box before. And yeah, so that's all I have for you today, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.